Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have our colored accent kit for the SpyderExtras 3-piece luggage system. If you've installed our SpyderExtras 3-piece luggage system on either your Spyder F3 or your Can-Am Ryker, then you already know that both the saddlebags and the top case are only available in black. Well, today we're happy to announce we partnered up with a team over at Tufskinz to bring you guys a peel and stick colored accent kit so you can take your aftermarket luggage system from this to this. This 4-piece kit is available in over 36 different colors, including real carbon fiber, and includes a scalloped accent for each saddlebag, as well as 2 accent strips for the top case to really give your luggage bags that custom look. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, these aren't some cheap vinyl decals. This material is thick and pliable and is coated with a UV-resistant top coat to protect against the elements. They're also backed with a 3M adhesive backing tape to keep the accent strip securely in place for years to come. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process. Start by thoroughly cleaning the surface area of your saddlebag with an alcohol wipe and let that sit for a minute to dry. Then test fit the piece so you know you have the correct side and so you can see how it will align. Next, peel back a small section of backing tape, line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections of backing tape as you go. Then just repeat that same process for the other saddlebag. Now for the top case, clean the surface area with an alcohol wipe and let that sit for a minute to dry. Then test fit the piece so you know you have the correct side. Peel back a small section of backing tape, line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections of backing tape as you go. And then just repeat that same process for the other side. So if adding some color to your Spyder F3 or Ryker 3-piece luggage systems on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.